Hola, my friends, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Today, we're gonna be doing some little Halloween treats. We're stamping the little cutie pies on. Look at that. I mean, some of them got a little bit like, kind of face, but really, they're all just so cute. Look at that. He's upset, but he's goofy. I mean, they are all just adorable. So, let's get to it. I want like lots of colors, basically, you know, preferably bright ones. Let's see. Let's stare at it for 2 seconds. Now, what we're gonna do is just pick up the ones that we like, you know, and then just incorporate them. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's do that. Y'all already know that I prefer the bigger images regardless. Even if I'm like sacrificing, not having the whole thing. Listen, that's what I'm gonna do, you hear me? And I love him in the hat. That's so cute with the ghost. Let's just get these babies up, okay? Let's go. In black. Yeah, buddy, and I'm gonna pick them up separately because I'm gonna isolate them, you know what I mean? Yes, ma'am. How cute. And basically remove anything that has to do with the neighboring drink as careful as possible. And you can do it too with a little ball daughter. Sometimes I need that if I'm going like in between some really tricky parts or whatever. Then you know I'm gonna want that. Oh, he is so adorable. Pop, 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 pop. Alright, let's get some more people. We acting up as per usual. Alright, we got, boom, be quiet. I kind of want to bring like a spooky element to it, so all the little surrounding little doodles, I kind of want to do them in red. And you know, I never come back, so I think this time I'm going to trick myself and do it first. You know what I mean? Stamp that part first. As soon as I get these guys colored in, I'm going to do that. Don't let me forget, okay? Hold me to it, people. Ah, cute tea pie. So, you know, there's some of them you can't do that with. You know, like this guy, he's in the back. He has a little dude in front of him. There's no way, you know, to separate him and have him intact. None of those dudes in the back. Only the guys in the front am I able to mess around and do that type of deal. Oh, but he's over here a little bit bigger. Was he the same size? I don't know, but I want him. He's cute. Need. And see, with him, he has a lot of stuff that's real. So we're gonna get him though and put him here. Should be able to capture most of it. So let's do it. And I'll put it on a wider guy. How cute are those fellas? Just adorable. shoot. See, so I'm kind of tight there. I'm going to bring in this guy to get that boop done. Okay, my goodness. Now that everybody has their color, right? I mean, they are cute. Wildly colored over here. It was just like, bam, a whole bunch of colors. Alright, so, what we're going to do, I think purple is going to be the color that I use for the little, I don't even know what to call them, but all those little cute things that are kind of around it, I'm going to put them on pop, pop, pop everywhere before I stick on these little guys. You know what I mean? And I think purple is the right color here. Let's see. And with this not being, sticking, I gotta try and hurry up, dude. That's gonna be rough. Cause it's a lot I gotta take out. Yo, the marathon begins. Here we go, here we go. It's already dry. Oh my gosh, listen. This is why when it's not sticking, it be something else, I'll tell you. It just be drama. Here we go, old school with the tape. Alright. Got it. See, and they all come apart. That's why it's hard to separate items when you're not using them. Now we're gonna have to use oily bonder for these little guys to get on there because they dry, you hear me? And that be the drama, okay? That's why it's sticky. Well, you know what? I have a sticky purple. I do. I should use it. I should make my life easier. Boop. Nice. See, so now, when I put my stuff here, it has a cute little extra background to it. You know what I mean? Yeah, let me do that. And I do have a purple sticky. Let's do it with this instead. That's going to be so much easier. Watch. Alright, so let's just say, hold up. We're going to grab some from right here. You know, those little guys. Now we can much easier grab items when it's the sticky and it stays wetter for a lot longer, so you have time to do it. So why wouldn't you, right? That's the thing. Why wouldn't you do the sticky? Boom. There we are. Just adds a little bit more fun to the whole ordeal. Alright, let me get this done. Alright, so here we go. We are ready to get our thing on. And you see, though, how adding that little purple little random things, I mean, I don't know, and bellies, makes it so cute. I did go ahead and seal it in, so that's why it looks matte. And let's get started. Here we go. Alright, so everybody stamped in, and I want to put Spooky Sweet somewhere. And I'm thinking here, maybe, because everybody else too busy for that. Here we go. Maybe use the smaller version too. This one, right? And black. Alright, let's do it. Look, let me say, I absolutely love how they came out. Let me tell you, my light is kind of watering it down a little bit. There we go, a little better, you can see. But this blue is metallic and it's super pretty on here. And check out the guys, that pink is so freaking fire, let me tell you. Yeah, I love it. Spooky, sweet, kind of remind me of the sweet and sour. You know what I mean? First there's sour, then there's sweet. So I was first there's spooky, then there's sweet. Okay, really love it, and it's glow in the dark. So I'll definitely try tonight to take a picture of them because it's early, it's bright out there. You hear me? Not super early, but it's early enough. So, Ja, you already know the deal, okay? You take that thing, you hear me? It's in you, free, available to you. Practice that thing with everyone, guys. Share the love, especially now, because the holiday's about to come up. Hard time on everybody, you hear me? Adios, au revoir. Hey guys, please remember to like and subscribe.